If you want your iPhone to flash whenever you have a text message coming in or whenever your iPhone rings, this video is going to help you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your iPhone flash when you have a text message or when you have an alert like ringing or any notification from all your messaging apps. So this is a unique feature on iPhone and make it flashes even when you silence your iPhone or when your iPhone screen is locked. Without wasting your time in this video, I'll show you how to make your iPhone flash when you have a message or when the phone rings. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the iPhone settings, scroll down and click on accessibility. Once you hit accessibility, scroll down and tap audio and visual. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap LED flash for alert. Then you can see I have all this turned on. If I choose to turn off all this, my iPhone will stop flashing whenever I have an alert or a message or rings or the phone rings. Now to enable flashes whenever your iPhone rings, turn on LED flash for alert. Now this is the game changer. If you want your iPhone to keep flashing even when you silence it or when you turn on the ringer mode using the action button or when your iPhone is locked, you just need to turn on these two features. So with this feature turned on, your iPhone will flash LED light whenever it rings or whenever you have a text message alert. So guys, if this is helpful, you want to smash the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.